Right, well, it's raining, it's Brands Hatch. It must be a track day then, surely, because that's all that ever seems to happen whenever we come here. Hello, here comes trouble.
That was the worst journey I've ever had in my life.
Are we having a good day?
I'm going to go and fucking write this car off.
I mean, to be fair, you are in a ferry, so you'll be all right. Anyway, you interrupted my intro, so we're going to do that and then we'll give you some space in the garage.
Fuck your intro.
Yeah, fuck you too.
Fuck your fucking intro.
We like each other, really. So basically, the aim of the game today here is to have some fun, see what the car's like in the wet, improve my driving in the wet, but also Jimmy's here in his Supra as well, so I think we're going to go out, we're going to have some fun with him and see which one of us can be quicker. I mean, he's in a boat, and to be honest, with the weather today, you need oars, so who knows what's going to happen. You know when you're just like not looking in your wardrobe and I just picked something out, we both look like complete wankers.
At least I commit to being a wanker, you know. He's in denial.
How you get?
No, this is right.
Fuck off. Oh, sorry, the Foo Fighters are on. We're going to get done for copyright.
I'm on my knees, I'm begging for a time.
This is a 360-degree camera, which means that when I do crash, it'll capture everything. Right, there's a lot of standing water.
Yeah, actually feels pretty grippy.
It's not too, well, don't say that, it's only the first lap.
Well held.
There's a lot of understeer, see that? Oh.
Well, that's oversteer.
Well, thank you.
Come on, Brooksy, walk me through all that. Oh, fuck, okay, don't.
Go on, JB, through you go, son. Right, that's us out of contention. There's a lot more grip on the outside. What are you doing, son? Mate, the standing water is biblical.
Hey, you're copying a few lines there, Tom.
Hi, mate.
That's a bit better.
Isn't it? Red flag.
Oi, oi. Hey, you didn't cause that one.
Hey! Oh, hello. Oh, no!
Oh, no!
Not an S2000! Oh, you poor man! Oh, no!
Oh, he's beached. He's properly in there.
Oh, my heart is broken.
Oh.
Oh. That actually hurts.
Yeah.
It's amazing the difference in grip, though. Just using those wet lines. Good fun to get power oversteer, though.
Yeah. No, it was good fun, that.
Did your arse clench at any point?
No. I never doubted you for a second.
Oh, you're wrong not to. Warming my ankles up on the brakes, it's lovely. Yeah, no, that was an interesting session. I mean, we were only out for like 3 or 4 laps, something like that, but yeah, good to get out on track. It was interesting because I was just doing normal dry lines at the start, like was sliding all over the place basically, and then JB came up my arse, and JB was up my arse, and then he went through on us, and I followed his lines basically. And it was amazing how much difference it made, actually, just like going deeper into corners. And the good news is I wasn't the S2000 beached in the gravel at the end of that session, so happy days.
Engine-wise, I haven't done anything.
What powers have it now?
Same as before, 214, 213.9 or something like that, wasn't it?
It's nice though. I mean, like you can see how much confidence you've got like throwing this thing in.
If you're ever getting nervous about corner entry, all you taught me this tip, like karting tricks, just go all the locks you can. Then the car is stuck in understeer. You cannot physically spin unless you like do something magical. This is why maybe when you're following me, you see me sort of do like that every now and then.
Right, okay.
Because that's how the car is.
If you want, I can take you around in this
And show you where to go,
Yeah,
which I think would be helpful.
You've got enough time to write this thing a letter before it lets go.
Yeah, I know. Oh, you might get wet, by the way.
Yeah, I see that, thank you.
Yeah, the roof does that, don't worry about it. So you can carry in the brake really deep.
Yeah, you can carry a lot more speed in there.
Yeah, you just can. You've got to just be soft with it. Oh, there you go, that's nice.
You can go a lot harder on the brakes than you think.
Yeah, I mean, we've got ABS, remember? Like, you've got ABS too, so you can use it.
Yeah.
Just keep that lock on. Loves it.
What did you learn from JB then, Brooksy?
That I can brake harder, I can go in later, that I should induce understeer, that I'm being a bit of a pansy really, and I need to pull my finger out. Is that good enough?
Yeah, I mean, I concur with all of it, so.
Fuck off. Jesus Christ, fucking driving Miss Daisy in front here.
Whoa, did you see that twitch from the Mark 1?
Yeah.
He's not seen you, Tom.
Oh, you. Change gear, Thomas, that'll help.
It's kind of in the middle, isn't it?
Yeah, that's the only thing, where it's so high revving, you've got to be so careful about the gears. Snappy little fucker, isn't it?
Tyres seem to be holding on quite well today.
Yeah, it's not too bad.
It's a Broadbent. Yes! Run away!
How's the driving?
Good, I think.
Good, you think?
Good, I think. I'm not a driver coach, Tom, but last time you were here you crashed. Today you haven't crashed. That is progress in anyone's book.
Well, you know, we'll take that.
You've got a black flag, mate.
I did.
You did, yeah.
Okay. Noise, probably.
Right, viewers, you're about to get a POV of what it's like to get bollocked on a track
this is going to be
day.
a perennial bollocking, unfortunately.
We called you in for noise.
Yeah, okay.
92 is the drive-by limit.
Yeah.
You're blowing 99.3.
That's good going, okay.
So you need to lose 7 and a bit dB. So you need to adjust your driving style accordingly.
Okay.
So as you don't ping the meters again.
Well, that was a very polite bollocking by all
It
accounts.
was a very polite bollocking.
I don't know what it is about track days. For some reason, I seem to get black flagged. That's the theme. I've stopped crashing and now start getting black flagged. I reckon the noise microphone limit thing is at clearways, and I think because I'm taking a wider line through there and I'm redlining it on the way out, and obviously this thing revs to 9,000, it's then clipping the limiter.
So I've got, Tom. It's a nice little noise test pass sticker here.
You mean you haven't been black flagged twice?
No, I haven't.
Which is surprising given the fact that you've got a fucking cannon on the back of it. If I get black flagged again, that's the end of the day. And what are we at now? It's 12:15. The weather's starting to ease up and it's starting to get nice, so I'd like to try and get some sort of like damp to dry running in if I can. I've been consistently slower than the Supra and Jimmy because he has been captaining the Titanic. I am taking extra steps, and that is I'm losing the cameraman. So that's got to be worth at least 2.5 seconds, isn't it?
It's like 250 kilos you're losing there, taking him out of the car.
It's like I've lost like a whole American from the passenger seat.
How do you like your chances, Tom?
Not brilliant, really, to be honest. He's a British champion, isn't he? Well, that lasted long, didn't it? Oh dear. That thing is absolutely planted. Fucking hell, poor JP. The thing is, he obviously has a lot more experience than I do. There is still a bit of standing water. It's offline going into there a little bit, but he's carrying so much speed through into there. I made Jimmy crash. Oh man, that was fun. Right, better call it a day there because the brake pedal's getting a teeny bit long. Every time I sit behind the wheel of this car, I just love it more and more and more. And great to get out with JB as well. I think we were keeping some pretty good pace there at points. So I'm pretty happy. Honestly, that was so much fun. I really enjoyed that. It was nice to like sort of feel the car underneath. I started pushing a little bit more, braking a bit later, carrying more corner speed through. I absolutely adore this thing. It's one of those cars, you know, that just worms its way under your skin and just makes you smile every time you drive it, and that's exactly what this is. Jimmy went off at Clearways. Are we all right? How did that go?
I carry a lot of speed here. I was like, oh shit, a bit too much speed.
I was sat behind you, I was like, that's an interesting line he's got going on there. Oh, it's not intentional.
I think that's a sign that I need to maybe leave it for the day.
Mate, that was such good fun. I love that. You recovered it well, though. Did you win, Jimmy?
Well, you decide, viewers.
Thank you so much for joining us on the channel. I really, really appreciate it. If you have enjoyed it, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll be back with more content on the channel very soon. We'll be back with more car content and bike content and whatever else we have on the channel very soon. Take care, and we'll see you then. You're a knob.